So like that. Oh, what have we here? An interloper, perhaps. No matter. We're going to take over the world with this machine, and worthless wimp like you won't stop us. Okay, 2 Molotovs now. How could this be? I've been defeated. Ah! The machine is generating a strange noise. There's a key inserted. Oh, take it, yes. Lupa pulled the key from the machine. Lupa received Earth key. So good. Okay. So which means I'm going out in this place. Bruh. Really? We heard the explosion back in Cantabel. Yun. Okay, there you are. Cantabel. The capital. Where the king reside. The capital of Cantabel. And then we defeated the second one, the general or knight or something, or captain, lieutenant, like that, and the Dark Dragon's army. Then we defeated them. What did you? Oh. That key. Then I take it the legends were true. Let's be off, Lupa. His Majesty awaits. Oh, thank you very much. So, in order to rout the Dark Dragons, you laid waste to my kingdom. I won't say I'm pleased with the outcome, but you did the right thing. An action both difficult and decisive, and proof of a true warrior. Advisor, you shouldn't next travel east to Windia. So here you must gain an audience with its king to cross the eastern bridge. From there you can travel south past from Volba Forest and onward to the port cities. There you might charter a ship to Skand.